How to use Bonchat for Beginners tutorial. So first, you're gonna have to download the app itself in whatever device you want. Let's say you're on your mobile device. Search for Bonchat in your Play Store or App Store and just go ahead and install. Once you have installed it, you will be able to use the app directly. So if you have access to a server already, or someone has details on a server or maybe a domain, you can go ahead and type server ID, IP, or domain. So just go ahead and type it over here so that you will be able to join. Usually it's automatic, or they could accept permissions or joining permissions from the other side of the server. Another option is to use the scan QR code to join. So if you are given a QR code from someone that's already inside the server or the creator of the chat, you can go ahead and scan the QR code. Another option is to basically just create a server yourself. So you can go ahead to your preferred browser and search for Bonchat itself, and you will be able to see this interface. So just go ahead and press on the purchase button, and I'll go ahead and choose whatever package you want. In our case, there's only one, so if you want to go ahead and get that, it's gonna cost you whatever it will say over here. So go prepare your payment method, and that way you will be able to get this package for that amount. There's also a duration. Monthly applies to cycle build products. User license, you can choose from whichever. Quantity as well. Cloud server specifications. Quantity again, but just go ahead and put in the details that you want, and the price will be here in the very bottom. But that's pretty much how you use Bonchat. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.